Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know up. A big shout out to everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel, to everyone who liked my videos, comments on my videos, and most of all, shared my videos. Also, a big shout out to all my clients here in London, UK, and all the clients who traveled from other countries, not only to support my business, but for my amazing hair growth treatment. Guys, if you don't know about my Speechless Hair Growth Blend, please visit our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, to make your purchase now. And please follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to see my clients' amazing hair growth results from as early as 2 weeks. I will also leave the links below to the live videos of my clients who have been showing some amazing results just after only 2 weeks of applying my Speechless Hair Growth Blend. So in this video, I will show you guys how I braid over bald patches. So I will first section out the affected area and I will braid that over and leave that for later. I will then braid 3 cornrows on each side, and I am going to speed up this part of the video because what I really want to show you guys is how I braid over the affected area. So I'm going to speed over this. So this professor came to me just 2 weeks ago prior to this video, and he said, Speechless, I have seen your work on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Facebook, and I want to start my hair journey with you and only you, nobody else, because I haven't seen anybody else as good as you. So I responded, Professor, you're welcome. I will examine the condition of your hair at your first appointment and then I can decide on a treatment plan. So I am showing you guys a photograph on the screen right now of how his hair looked 2 weeks ago. So as you can see, the affected area from the photograph 2 weeks ago comparing to how his hair look now, there's been a massive change to the affected area. And this result is just from using my Speechless Hair Growth Blend for the past 2 weeks. So today is the first time I attempted to unclog his follicles. So he had his first treatment today. And you should be able to see the redness in his scalp from where all the dead skin got stripped away. So the follicles are now starting to unclog. The professor also mentioned that his head feels a lot more breathable. Although his scalp is so sensitive at the moment, which is to be expected, because unclogging your follicles is like unclogging your pores. You're opening up the skin for that blackhead to come through, right? And it's the same with the follicles. We're opening up the skin so that the hair can come through. So guys, I keep telling you this over and over that self-care is everything. Don't wait until your head go bald before you attempt to do something about your condition. Book an appointment with me now. Start unclogging those follicles. Make the hair come true. Sometimes it's not a genetic condition or alopecia. Sometimes the hair just trap and the hair just need to be released. Listen, start unclogging your follicles. Let the hair come through the skull because the hair want to come through. It's telling you that it want to come through. Hence why the bald patches, the dry scalp, and all of this is telling you that it need to come through. Your hair not breathe. Your skull not breathe. It need to come through. So I won't be closing up the affected area too much because I want to leave this area open so that the professor can apply my Speechless Hair Growth Blend, and I will show you how he will apply the cream at the end of this video. So I am using the Marley braiding hair extensions because it has a afro texture that will give me a tighter grip, and it also blends out with my client's hair once the hair is braided in. So it's only been 2 weeks since I last braided his hair, and I can already see that I have so much more hair in the affected area to work with. So what I am doing now is that I am feeding in some hair at the top where the affected area is to make its braids look a lot more full at the top. I could close the gap in if I wanted. I could put 3 braids at the top, but my professor is very confident. You don't want to cover up too much. We want to focus mainly on leaving enough room to apply my Speechless Hair Growth Blend directly into the affected area every 2 days or so. So guys, please don't forget to check out some of my other videos on how to braid over bald patches, and also my clients' hair growth reviews from as early as 2 weeks, and I will leave the links in the description box below. Also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to keep up with my hairstyles and things. Up.
Samokano, 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 speechless, 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 speechless. Your style, your style, your style, your style. London, 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 London. Because I big man she want, she no wanna let go you. Because I champion she want it, she no wanna back doors. Juice. Because I big man she want, she no wanna let the you. Because I champion she want it, she no wanna back doors. Juice. I know she lick long cute. 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 What do she lick long cute? 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 Speechless, 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 speechless. London, 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 London. Speechless, 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 speechless. London, 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 London. I don't she lick long cute. I don't she lick long cute. I don't she lick long cute. She don't wanna back juice. What do she lick long cute? 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 She don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, no wanna back juice, don't wanna back, no wanna back juice, don't wanna back, no wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, no wanna back juice, don't wanna back, no wanna back juice, don't wanna back, no wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice. Samokano, 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 Samokano.